Additional capability that we have, I mentioned the 3D models. We have in our database some other 3D models like some CATIA parts. We also have some Inventor parts, some SolidWorks and Solid Edge type parts also. You can pick any of these models, and it'll show you what the 3D model looks like right in the thumbnail. And if you decide that's the particular model that you're looking for, you can go ahead and actually click on that thumbnail, and in our embedded viewer we can actually bring that 3D model up so that you can manipulate it. You can zoom in, zoom out, cut some sections into that model, and also it takes a little bit of time in here just to come up, but just give it a second. It's the first time I'm bringing it up today. So as soon as the model comes up, I could go ahead and turn it, rotate it, zoom in, zoom out, look at the different. If this happens to be an assembly, I can look at the assembly browser for that model. You know, I can hide certain aspects of it or show certain aspects of it, whatever the case might be. I can go ahead and, as I said, cut sections or show some dimensions on that particular model. If I wanted to do some kind of like a radius type measurements, I could just throw that in there. If I want to measure, you know, maybe distance between two different entities, I could like two different circles. I can do center to center, tangent to tangent, center to tangent, or whatever the case might be, and throw that dimension on there as well. I can go ahead and mark it up with any kind of free marking, or add some text and say, you know, maybe I wanted to change that that dimension. I can say, you know, change that to 1 inch, right? So you could do this and go ahead and save it as a PDF file maybe, and just send it to your engineering or whatever the case might be. If this was a design review, you can document what the discussion was during the design review and have that PDF circulated later on within engineering to figure out what the problem is and how you need to fix it. So the idea again in here is that we wanted to have the engineer or the designer work on whatever they need to work on very quickly, trying to explore all the relationships and the attributes right from within their AutoCAD session if they're predominantly working within the that environment.